Wow, this thing's like super spinny mode. Wait,
You asked
it
for it.
said X and Y. Dude, those are like nowhere near each other. This is so super sensitive. I can't control this spin.
Reroute, maybe? I don't know.
Alright, we're gonna set down and drop. I don't know why that is. I wonder. Oh, don't knock it over. Oh, shoot. I just got it stuck.
Alright, I gotta go to the sawmill.
You piece of junk. Yeah, I just got it stuck. Crap.
Do 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 do.
We might be okay. I'm not 100% sure.
You're
Uh-oh.
not 100%
Uh-oh.
sure if we're okay.
Uh-oh.
Hmm.
Problem?
Huh?
Problem?
Clean up on aisle 5?
What the heck is going on?
I don't know. I can't see what you're seeing.
I'm on the corner of one track, and it's popping a wheelie. Now I'm bouncing around. Oh, now I'm back down. I don't even. I'm
Oh no.
so
Oh
lost.
my goodness, you blocked off everything. Oh no. Oh no. Oh.
Hey, you're the one that parked the red truck there.
I didn't think there was gonna be that thing in the way. Oh my goodness.
Hey, what's up, Rosfree?
I'm going this way. I get the rest of the supplies.
I don't even know
Cool.
what's going on right now.
Oh no. Okay, we're good. Just gotta go up here, get some spruce things, I guess, and come back.
Some spruce. Oh, come on, stay open. Stay open, game. Alright, we're going to try this again. I'm really hoping that that wall is over there and not having issues.
Alright, so we need square beams. Oh, they didn't tell me what size. Uh-oh, hold on.
Yeah, it still thinks I have that wall connected. Yep, there it is. It's connected.
The ghost wall?
Mm-hmm.
Square beams for just 5
I just hit connect and
meters.
it connected back to the thing.
Weird.
I need this to be off the vehicle here. Let's try again. Nope, it's completely stuck.
Wait. Where in the world are these things? I just bought them. Alright, Mr. Sawmill Man, where's your stuff you sold me? Oh, there they are. Holy crap, those are long, wow. Mm-hmm. Yup. That's what she said.
I broke it.
Oh.
I broke it. You think it's going to do the same thing if I reset it?
Reset what, the mission?
The wall. Reset the crane, I mean. Because I can't. It will not detach. Every time I detach, it just sits here and glitches.
I do not know.
Well, let's try something. Nope. It's exactly what you said though, is I hit the wall with the bucket and it glitched it out.
Yeah, you can't, yeah. Can't do it.
Get off! Stay off. Stay. Bad wall.
I have no idea if that'll work. We're gonna go with it for now. Looks like it's working. If it looks like it works, then it definitely works, right?
Sure.
That's pure logic.
That wall is pushing me around. It's still attached. I'm gonna reset the oh boy.
Good luck. Watch the beautiful line that it
Help!
makes when it resets.
Help!
Help! I need
somebody.
Help!
This is ridiculous. It's up on one track on its side. Freaking out.
I told you it was bad news bears.
Alright, we've got it back. Dropping it again. It's in the middle of the road this time, not freaking out. Yeah, it's still freaking out. Now it's throwing me over in the side. It is not working.
No, mine's not working.
It is
Remember, I had to
definitely
brake
not
fix
working.
it the last time.
Let's see if we can swap it out. Can we swap it out with one?
Attach cargo. Oh my goodness, it actually attached. I have no idea how this is gonna work out. You're gonna laugh when I come back there.
I'm not laughing now.
Oh no, when I get there though, you'll be like, huh. You'll make some really lewd joke, I'm sure, when I get back. Trust me, you will.
Get off!
If you don't, somebody in chat will. They'll just have to.
This stinking thing. Alright, I'm gonna try and reset the vehicle.
Good luck.
Oh, I don't have the ability to reset it. Only you do.
What? Alright, hold on.
Oh wait, no, I'm in it? Okay, reset to home base. There it goes. What is going on? I'm on the roof of the building across the street from us.
Exactly, like, so broken.
Hey, what's going on? Just that man at the tank. How's it going? What's up, Sophia? Welcome, guys. I know. Oh, now I'm. Wow. I'm not entirely sure where I am. I'm very high in the sky right now. Somebody help! Can this vehicle brake?
Oh my goodness. Probably, 1 second.
Oh, we got it back. We're gonna drop it from this height. Bye! Oh my goodness. Tank would be fine. All right. I am flying. I don't know why. It's freaking out because there was a wall stuck on it, and we can't sell it because we can't afford another one. All right, I'm I'm gonna exit the vehicle. Oh, 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 oh! We're both falling. We're falling. I'm falling in the water. Don't die. Apparently, we're under the water, and there is no water in this ravine because I'm back in the vehicle. So broken. So broken. Best game, they said. You'd feel like it's real life, they said. Excavators falling from the sky. Yep, real life. Alright, we're gonna... Whoa! I didn't do that. Cool, we're back on land. Well, I can't dig. And all I was doing is putting that back on there.
Well, I feel like a fat Sally.
Alright, we've got it connected and we're going to try and reset the vehicle again.
You're back at base, right?
Sure, again.
Wow.
I'm just doing somersaults over here. Yep, there we go again.
Wow.
This is ridiculous. It's gonna throw me in the water. Press X. Sure we can't sell this thing? Is there a way to reset the materials?
To reset the whole entire thing. Yeah, you can reset the mission, the stage or whatever.
Oh, now we're done for. I'm under the map.
What?
I'm under the map.
You have to reset it then.
Yeah, and I'm falling.
I'm free.
This is ridiculous.
Falling. Yeah, I've got a song for almost
Okay.
everything. It's stupid.
We're gonna attempt. First off, we're gonna reattach said. Do we have that control?
Where are you? I'm at base. You know where to be seen.
Oh boy. Company, motor pool. Try and reset again. Yes.
Alright. Oh,
Oh,
my goodness, I see
Oh! There we go again.
you. You're wiggling out of control.
Ah!
Alright, here, I'll take care of that. Hold on.
I'm driving.
This
It's okay.
stage.
It's okay. Driving. Driving. No, flying.
Reset. Alright, the stage is reset. Hold on.
Oh my
There you go.
gosh. Drive 1 kilometer in a tracked vehicle. I didn't drive it, I flew it. Oh my gosh. I'm still falling.
Reset the vehicle now. Should be.
All right. I'm just getting a couple screenshots.
Wow.
This is so bad. Company motor pool. How's it going, everybody? Yes, reset vehicle.
Should be fine now.
Okay. Good crane. I mean, good excavator. Good excavator. You think so, Sophia?